Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly show text in the lower third in iMovie on your iPhone. Adding lower third text in iMovie on iPhone is a great way to give your videos a clean and professional look. Lower third text is commonly used to display names, locations, titles, or short information at the bottom portion of the screen without distracting from the main video. So, whether you are creating YouTube videos, interviews, blogs, or social media content, iMovie makes it pretty easy to add this style of text directly from your iPhone. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the iMovie app on your iPhone, and then you have to open the video in question, and then you have to hit the exact spot where you want to add text. After that, you have to tap on the text icon located at the bottom. Then you have to swipe left or right to choose the preferred title style. And then you have to hit the font button and select from a wide range of text fonts. After that, you have to tap on the color icon and choose the preferred color for your text. Then you have to hit the triple dot icon. After that, you can use text shadow, uppercase, sound effect, and show the text in the full clip duration. And if you want to show the title in the lower third, simply swipe up or down on the menu to reveal the style option and tap on it. After that, you have to choose the lower third option in the menu. And finally, you have to hit the X button located at the top right corner of the menu to get out of it, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily show text in the lower third in your iMovie video on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. It's an excellent way to make your videos look more polished, informative, and engaging. Once you start using the lower third titles, your edits can feel much more professional and organized. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it to enhance the quality of your iMovie videos, and I'll catch you up in the next one.